Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss how to perform search operation in double linked list. How to perform search operation in double linked list. So search is nothing but finding whether the element is present in DLL or not. So search whether particular element present in double linked list or not. Suppose a class of students are there. In this class of students, so many students are present in the class. Now, so I want to search for particular student. See, how can we search? Generally, we will perform here linear search. If you don't know the linear search technique, you please go to my linear search video. Then you will get an idea how to perform a linear search. Okay, so now how to search for an element in double linked list. For example, the double linked list is like this. Suppose the double linked list is like this. Suppose there are 4 nodes present in double linked list. There are 4 nodes present in double linked list. See, like this. Last node's next pointer is null. First node's previous pointer is null. So null here and here null. 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay. Now the elements 8, 10, 3, 2. Suppose these are the elements present. Now I want to search for particular element. Initially PTR. And remember in linked list one special node is there. That node is called as head node. What is head node? Like leader. Head node is nothing but like a leader. So which is a node which stores address of first node. Stores address of first node. You can take this node as a head node, no problem. Or you can take another node. Which may act as a head node. Like this also you can take. Or you can take the first node as the head node. What is head node? Head node is nothing but stores address of first node. Now I want to search for particular node. How to search for particular element? Now I want to search element 3. How to search for an element 3? So first we start with 8. So how to search for 8? So 8 is not equal to 3. Move pointer to the next node. So 10 not equal to 3. Move pointer to the next node. 3 equal to 3. Yes, element is present. So element is present. This is simply like a sequential search. One after another we are searching for the element. Linear search or sequential search. So like that you can perform search operation in double linked list. So that means here if you observe we will compare this node's data. That means PTR's data. Whether PTR's data is it equal to element or not. If both are equal, simply stop the process. Like element is present. And no need to compare with the next. So you should break. So all this we will repeat until PTR of like next not equal to null. That means until end of the list. This is until end of the list. Okay, so now if both are not matched, then if this condition is failed, then what shall we do? Simply we will move pointer to the next node. PTR equal to PTR of next. See, so this you have to repeat. So if both are equal, okay, element is present, stop the process. Otherwise, what shall we do? We have to move pointer to the next node. See, if both are not equal, so move pointer to the next node, compare with the data, move pointer to the next node, compare with the data. Like that, we will repeat the process. So hope you understand the search operation in double linked list. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.